Passive income ideas that actually work. Are you tired of working paycheck to paycheck and want to make money while you sleep?
In this video, I'll share real,
Proven passive income ideas that actually work in 2025.
no scams, no fluff.
Let's dive in. 1. Dividend stocks. First up, dividend stocks. You invest in stable companies that pay you just for holding their shares. Think of it like getting paid for being a part owner of big businesses like Apple or Coca-Cola. Open a brokerage account, for example, Robinhood, Fidelity, eToro. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, for example, dividend aristocrats. Reinvest dividends for compound growth. 2. Rental properties and Airbnb. Imagine getting paid every month just because someone lives in your property. Whether it's traditional renting or short-term Airbnb stays, real estate can be a great passive income source. Buy rental properties in high-demand areas. Use property managers to handle tenants. Airbnb for short-term rentals, higher returns, but more management. 3. Write a book or ebook. Did you know you can make money forever from a book you write once? Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing let you self-publish books and earn royalties with zero upfront costs. Write about something you love or have expertise in. Publish on Amazon KDP, set a price, promote it using social media and ads. 4. YouTube automation channel. No, you don't need to show your face. Automated YouTube channels can make money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Pick a niche, for example, finance, tech, motivation. Use AI tools for voiceovers and editing, for example, Pictory, Canva. Monetize with YouTube, ads and affiliate links. 5. Sell stock photos, music, or digital art. If you're creative, why not turn your work into passive income? Sell stock photos on sites like Shutterstock or music tracks on Epidemic Sound. Upload high-quality images or music. Earn money every time someone downloads your work. Create digital art and NFTs if you're into crypto. 6. Print-on-demand pod business. Want to sell t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without touching inventory? Print-on-demand lets you upload designs, and companies like Printify or Redbubble handle the rest. Create designs using Canva or Photoshop. Upload to a pod platform. Earn money whenever someone buys your product. 7. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest passive income streams to start. You promote products and earn commissions when people buy through your unique link. Join affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact. Recommend products via blog, YouTube, or social media. Earn commissions 24/7. There you have it. Real passive income ideas that actually work. Which one will you start? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. See you in the next one.